Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open your photo in the editor and immediately select an aspect ratio for the frame. Common choices are 4, 5 for portraits, 3, 2 for prints, or 1 for square posts. Tap crop and choose resolution output, such as 1080 x 1350 pixels for portrait or 1920 x 1080 for landscape to ensure sharpness. Use a 3x3 grid overlay and pinch zoom to align the subject, keeping at least 1/10 of the shorter side as margin. This prevents subjects from touching the frame edges. Create a visible frame by adding a border and shadow layer. Set border thickness to a specific pixel value, for example 12px for subtle or 24px for bold edges, and pick a color or gradient that contrasts the subject. For depth, apply a shadow with distance 8px, blur 16px, and opacity 25% to simulate a lifted print. If you want a softer look, round corners between 6px and 24px to match device UI or print aesthetics and preview at 100% zoom. When your framed photo looks right, export it using the appropriate format and profile. Choose JPEG at quality 90% for balanced size and quality, or PNG when you need transparency, and use sRGB color profile for web consistency. Save a layered project file too, and upload both files to cloud storage so you maintain versions. Aim for at least 2 GB free storage for multiple projects. Finally, select platform presets. 1080 x 1350 for Instagram portrait, 1200.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.